Hero Cat by Eileen Spinelli. It was March, cold and slushy. Time for Mother Cat to have her kittens. Seeking shelter, she dragged herself into an old garage. Hiss, snarled an old tomcat, shooing her away. Next, she tried a back alley shed. Scat cat, said two boys who were trading cards. At last, she came to a dark, abandoned building. No one was there to chase her. Mother Cat lay down on some old rags with only her own breath for warmth. Amid dusty machinery and empty cartons and rain puddling under the door, she gave birth to her precious kittens, 5 of them, black and white, gray, Siamese, white paws, and smoky. Mother Cat nursed and cuddled them. She purred staringly lullabies and licked clean their sulky fur. The days passed and Mother Cat grew hungry. She nosed her kittens into a cozy heap and left the garage to look for food. After swallowing a few fishtails and some stale cheese, she hurried back. Along the way, she heard fire engines. She smelled smoke. Then she saw the flames coming from the dark, abandoned building. The kittens! Plunging through thick smoke, she ran inside. She heard frightening meowing. There was Black and White, huddled against the wall. The kitten whimpered as Mother Cat carried her out the door. She dropped Black and White on a wet patch of grass and raced back. Hot boards scorched her paws. Smoke made her eyes burn. She found Gray and carried him to the sidewalk. 3 kittens left. Into the smoke and flames again, tiny cries. Siamese, there, yes, out safe. The wind was rising. Greasy windows popped. Mother Cat went back. She heard crying in the rags that had been their bed. White paws. Mother Cat lifted him with her mouth. Safe at last with his brothers and sisters. Fire flared skyward. One more kitten, Smoky. Heart racing, Mother Cat returned to the building. No cries, no scent. Smoky! She stumbled into him, tiny ball of fur in the corner, hardly breathing. She carried Smoky outside, dumped him with the others, and collapsed exhausted. Hours later, Mother Cat woke up in a soft, blanketed box. She could smell and feel her kittens around her. She pressed her nose against each one, all together with Mother Cat once more. A photographer took a picture of them. Cute kittens, he said. Brave cat, said a firewoman. A fireman knelt by the box and patted Mother Cat on the head. More than brave, he said. This cat is a hero cat. The end.